One beautiful day, Mr. Junkie and Tristan are walking down the road.
La 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 la. Wait. You thief!
Nah, just leave it. Take it. Go.
Why would you want to let the thief take your iPhone?
I got lots of this stuff that I do not use at home. Why not let him take it?
Oh my god, you are so last minute, man. The tNCC is having this boot sale where they put all their second-hand items that they never use.
Wow, that's amazing. I got tons of second-hand items that I do not use also. If you want, I can give you some of them right now. Wait. The first is the pogo stick. It's precious and fragile, okay? Don't damage it. Come, put it here. Thank you. The second is the pink fluffy teddy bear. Also quite costly, okay? Don't damage.
Whoa!
And the green shopping cart. Where is it? Yeah. Eco-friendly. Wait, last but not the least, I got my iPhone 4, okay? Oh, cannot use anymore. Now got new model iPhone 4S. Take.
Oh, that's great. I'll have them sent to the set at once. Wait, do you have a car? Do you have a car?
Me, cars, I got lots of cars. The latest of them includes the latest model of the human car.
Oh, that's great. Then you should get your car washed by the tNCC youth.
Get my car washed by the what?
The tNCC youth. They have been trained by Master King Lee. Before that, they're level 1. Now they're level 100. Oh yeah!
What? Serious? Level 100?
Oh yeah.
How much is the car wash?
Minimum 50.
Wow. 50 ringgit. Oh, that is so cheap.
Thank you. I'll have them donated to the renovation of the tNCC on the 3rd floor.
Driver, get my car. I want it washed right now, okay? Come. Faster.
Okay, now let's get ready. And where's the hose? Yeah. Wash the car, everyone. Wash the tire. Okay, now it's ready and nice and clean as ever. Yeah.
Mom, wash car.
Alright, give another round of applause to tNCCU! Didn't they do an amazing job? Yeah. So now, all of us love tNCC, right? Yes! So now we are volunteering ourselves to do car wash and to help with the boot sale on May 20th. To raise funds for the renovation of tNCC on the 3rd floor. So the car wash is minimum 50 ringgit and it's going to be at the basement. We are going to wash cars for 4 consecutive weeks starting from this week. Yeah. So please buy. We need you to buy our coupons. The coupons will be available at the foyer. You can look for the friendly people who are going to sell you the coupons. And right after you, before you go home, drive your car to the basement. We are going to be there waiting to wash your car, right? Okay, so what better car wash can you get other than from tNCC Youth? Alright, give another round of applause. Let's go. 1, 2.
Wow, I feel like young again. I also want to join the car wash. But cannot lah, yesterday really make my body aching. 50 ringgit only. Wow, very cheap. It's cheap because we are blessed. We are a church that have been so blessed. We give not because we want to be blessed, but because we are already so blessed.